In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Hi there. If you're enjoying my videos and want to see more, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and join our community here on YouTube. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I upload new content and you'll never miss a video. It's completely free and helps support my channel, so I can continue to create and share valuable content with you. Thanks for considering subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in the comments. Intel processors are some of the most popular CPUs in the market today, powering everything from budget laptops to high-end gaming desktops. When choosing a CPU, one of the most important considerations is the processor's performance, which is often determined by its brand, model, and generation. In this post, we'll explore the differences between the three main Intel processor types: i3, i5, and i7, and their generations. Intel i3 processors. Intel Core i3 processors are entry-level CPUs that are designed for basic computing tasks such as web browsing, document editing, and light multimedia use. i3 processors usually have 2 cores and support hyper-threading technology, which means they can handle up to 4 threads at a time. This technology improves performance when running multiple applications simultaneously. i3 processors also have a lower cache size compared to i5 and i7 processors, which can affect overall performance. Intel i5 processors. Intel Core i5 processors are mid-range CPUs that are designed for mainstream computing tasks such as gaming, video editing, and photo editing. i5 processors usually have 4 cores and support hyper-threading technology, which means they can handle up to 8 threads at a time. This makes them faster and more efficient when running multiple applications simultaneously. i5 processors also have a larger cache size compared to i3 processors, which improves overall performance. Intel i7 processors. Intel Core i7 processors are high-end CPUs that are designed for heavy computing tasks such as video rendering, 3D modeling, and professional-grade gaming. i7 processors usually have 4 to 8 cores and support hyper-threading technology, which means they can handle up to 16 threads at a time. This makes them faster and more efficient when running multiple applications simultaneously. i7 processors also have a larger cache size compared to i3 and i5 processors, which further improves overall performance. Intel processor generations. Intel releases new processor generations every year or two. The generation number indicates the technology used to manufacture the CPU, which affects its performance, power consumption, and compatibility with other components. The current generation of Intel processors is the 12th generation, which was released in late 2021. The higher the generation number, the more advanced the processor is likely to be. For example, a 10th generation i5 processor is likely to be faster and more efficient than a 7th generation i5 processor. However, newer generations of processors are also typically more expensive than older generations. In summary, the main differences between Intel i3, i5, and i7 processors are their performance, core count, and cache size. i3 processors are entry-level CPUs designed for basic computing tasks. i5 processors are mid-range CPUs designed for mainstream computing tasks. And i7 processors are high-end CPUs designed for heavy computing tasks. The generation number indicates the technology used to manufacture the CPU and affects its performance, power consumption, and compatibility with other components.